Hello, sillies. I'm with Sonic. Yeah, I started immediately. Sorry, Sonic.
It's okay.
And we're playing Melsa and Eric Railway. Or North Sunrise Railway. Cause fun. Say hi, Sonic.
Hi.
He's gay.
No.
I feel like I just got a DM, but I don't really want to check that. I heard the sound. Oh god.
Oh god, I derailed Eric again.
Bro, why do you keep Okay, hold up.
I can't move forward properly now.
I can fly! Yay. Sonic, where are you?
I'm still at the same station, Airband station.
I'm coming and I'm gonna tickle your toes. Yeah. Sonic.
What?
Sonic.
Oh, hold on, I'm out of here.
You can't hide from me. Hold up, I got this, Genki. Watch this.
Oh.
Shit, I spelled his name wrong.
What?
I love having admin oh shit. Oh god. Sonic. Where are you?
No, leave me alone.
Can I teleport to you or something?
I mean, there's the TP command where you can teleport to me.
What if I just like kill myself? I need. God, I'm so fucking I'm so freaking laggy, man. Oh god, it's like going 1 frame per second.
Oh no, please! I just want to go. I want to go. No, I don't want to be. Riza's gonna hunt me down and kill me.
Sonic.
Why is he always standing here? Oh shit!
Sonic. Sonic.
Not good. Oh shit! Not good. Oh shit! Oh, not good. Oh shit! Not good. Oh shit! Not good. Oh shit! Not good.
I'll just be taking him. Thanks. I guess. God damn it, stop it. Sonic! Sonic, bad boy! Bad boy! Sonic!
Don't get my blowy tandem. Leave me alone.
Gimme! I'm gonna fling you again.
I'll let you have him.
Nah, you're still getting flung.
What? No. Holy shit.
Move up. Okay. God damn. God, I hate this stupid computer, bro. Eric. I'm gonna clap your cheeks. Bro! Come on, move! Oh, okay. Wow, my computer hates me, man. Oh, shit.
Dang.
Sonic, where are you?
I'm getting a new person.
Like, fly. Why is it?
Hopefully she.
Why is it all?
Hopefully she doesn't see. Hopefully she doesn't see me because I'm so small.
Wow, Seojan. I think that is him. And then there's Melsa. Melsa. All right, derailed him earlier. My bad, Sonic. I'll stop trying to touch you, okay? Fuck.
Okay. Phew.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
What?
Wow, I love driving Melsa. Wow, hello, I am Melsa. Wow, it's Melsa.
Why the hell is this bitch?
What
It's
the fuck?
Toronto.
I just
Huh?
made Melsa jump. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I just made. What the fuck? I just
You're
made him
making
jump
Melsa
again.
jump. Stop doing that.
How am I doing this? Am I still flying? I thought, yeah, I unflighted it. Melsa, bad Melsa.
I think this guy that I just spawned in doesn't have a fucking doesn't have a delete button.
Who?
The guy I just spawned in doesn't have a delete button.
My god, he's so ill. Here,
He kind of looks like Cuphead.
I'm pretty sure he's I'm pretty sure he's broken too. You don't gotta Eric, fix this. No delete button. Oh my god. What the fuck?
What?
Look over here. Oh. Sonic.
Oh yeah, a little train.
Sonic, did you poop this out? What the fuck?
I didn't shit it out.
I want 0. I'll spawn him at birth 1. 0.
All right.
I wonder if he actually does taste like cardboard, because I want to eat him, because I eat cardboard.
What? Z fuck?
Did you just say you were gonna fuck him? I knew it! I knew you were gay!
I said, what? Z fuck! Not I'll fuck 0.
Hey, buddy, I'm the one who simps for 0. He's my number 1, hear me out.
My number 1, hear me out, is King.
I can't.
The final boss from Portal 2.
Can you help me, bro? I can't fucking turn my screen for the fucking life of me.
Okay, sure, I'll help you.
Can you turn the what's it called again?
The turntable.
Yeah, the turn. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you. You won't be getting touched tonight, okay?
What?
Unless you want to get touched. I can do that too.
No. What?
Hey, Sonic. Thank you so much for helping me. I'm gonna reward you with something.
With what?
Hold up. I'm giving you your record. Oh, right, that.
Wait. Eric's gonna crash by himself.
I don't wanna crash. I'm just stuck. I'm stuck.
I know why you're
stuck. Bro.
Okay, okay. Wait, no, you weren't.
I'm stuck. Ew. Can I fly?
I'll help you.
Fly.
I'll help you, 0.
Help me. Oh my god, stop touching his ass, Sonic. I know you're a big fan of him and all.
Bro,
like, it's not nice to touch people's asses.
I'm straight.
No, you're not. You have to admit it. What? Eric's loving Chloe's fucking tender.
What?
Eric, what the fuck are you doing with her fucking tender? You're gonna get fucking touched, buddy. You're gonna get touched. Yeah.
Don't mind me stealing 0.
Motherfucker, give him back. Oh shit.
I'm gonna ram him into the shed.
No, what are you gonna do with him? What the fuck? What are you gonna do with him, bro?
I'm going to send him to the scrap yard.
No! Hello! I'm Eric!
Hey, you can't.
I know you're Eric, because you're gay. I'm not gay. I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, you
What?
do that, Eric. I'm gonna kill. I'm gonna do some unspeakable shit to you, bro. Wow. I'm so desperate for women. Okay. Okay, bro. You do you.
What?
Okay. What?
Oh God.
I'm
Wait,
off
give
to
me a
go
second.
be scrapped. Okay. Bye bye, Eric. 0! Mine! The fuck? Shit. Fuck. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure Antics was in this game.
Wait, Antics is in this game?
I'm pretty sure. Antics!
0 and Antics? Oh God. Yeah!
Yeah, he's in this game! Yay! Antics! I love Antics. I love Antics. I love Antics. I love Antics.
Oh, what the hell?
Antics!
And there's just a random Chloe that's
Looky! Look! What the fuck is that noise?
What noise?
Sonic, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm. What do you think I'm doing?
Sonic, I need help again with the fucking turntable.
Oh, right.
Bro, why is the fucking speed 6, 7? What the fuck? Antics.
6, 7 ain't funny anymore, though.
6, 7. I'm so funny. Ugh.
I think my game crashed. What?
Did your game crash? Sonic.
Yeah, my game crashed.
No, join back.
Yeah?
Sonic? Are you still alive?
I can't. It's in the crashing process.
Well, uncrash it. It's simple.
Yeah.
Sonic.
No.
Can you hear me? Sonic.
Wait, you're crashing? Did
What?
you
No,
crash
that's not-
my game?
No, that's not what I said. Sonic.
Yeah?
No, I think Sonic's dying.
What?
What? Sonic.
Yeah?
Are you gonna die, dude?
Nope. My game just finished crashing. When the hell did I start up Adobe Photoshop?
I like men.
I never started up Adobe Photoshop. I like women.
I like men.
What?
I'm Eric right now. I'm saying I like men.
I like women.
Gay. I'm calling Eric gay right now, bro. La 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 la. He's gonna get pissed and he's going to block me soon.
Oh, hey! Hey,
Hey, Sonic. The gamer.
Ain't no way you crash Antics in the first 5 seconds.
Bro, I
of me being
derailed
gone.
him. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. What the fuck? You just fix him? Can I change it? How do I change his expression? There's like a
Reza,
little click
I'm in your
button.
walls.
Oh god!
in
Get
your
out of my
walls.
walls! Oh god! Oh god! No! I'm getting tickled! Down! Wait, is there going to be... Alright, no! I'm getting tickled!
Why are you so damn heavy?
Wow, that's offensive. You
so slow?
No. Sonic, something's
What the
going.
hell happened to your phone?
I don't know. Gonna die, dude. How do I change his fucking expression? Eric, I need your help. Oh.
I'm pretty sure click on the dome.
Oh, the dome. Okay. Oh. Sonic, you're a bully.
What did I do?
Okay, I haven't really been Eric before, so I'm just gonna see these. A ghost. What the fuck is this? Wow. Ha ha ha. What the fuck? Sonic? Sonic? Whoop. Sonic? What? Uh-oh. The fuck? Oh no. Okay. I guess, that's the end of that video. Bye, lovelies. Cup. Wait, I want to wait till it gets stuff 17 seconds because fun.
Hi.
Sorry, I fucking disconnected.
No, sorry for fucking disconnecting. It's not your fault.
I'm gonna say fuck again because fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck.
Okay, I'm just going to. I'm hungry.
Okay. I think Eric's gonna
I'm
kill
gonna
me.
go. Why?
Just because. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video now. Say bye bye, Sonic.